Can one man have so much influence on people that just by writing a few words on internet, he can make the market swing like a toy? On 13th May, Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla will no longer accept payments through Bitcoin. And guess what? Bitcoin plunged over 17%. But not long ago, in February this year, Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and then later in March started accepting payments in the form of the cryptocurrency. Tesla definitely profited from the Bitcoin it bought, but more on that later in the video. The big question first. Is Elon Musk manipulating the market? Not really, but is he taking the advantage of his position? Definitely. The conversation about Elon Musk and cryptocurrency started last year in January, during his appearance on the Third Row Tesla podcast. When asked about his opinions on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Musk said, "I'm neither here nor there on Bitcoin." He further went on to say that where I see crypto as is effectively a replacement for cash, but not as a replacement for a primary. I do not see crypto being the primary database. Then on May 17, 2020, he revealed that he owned only 1/4 of a Bitcoin. Months later, in July, hackers executed one of the biggest internet scams of recent times. The official Twitter handles of many prominent US figures started asking for donations in Bitcoin. The first tweet came from the Tesla CEO's account. Even the hackers knew that people trust Elon Musk when it comes to cryptocurrency. But crypto doesn't only mean Bitcoin, and this is where things get interesting. One word, Doge. This statement introduced the internet to Dogecoin, which was less known at that time. Over the course of last few months, Musk flooded his tweets with Doge as if he was the marketing guy for the cryptocurrency. At one point in time, he even mentioned in his Twitter bio that he is the former CEO of Dogecoin. This followed a landslide of memes, and everyone seemed to know something or the other about the cryptocurrency. In fact, now Dogecoin is the most mentioned cryptocurrency on Twitter ever. All of this caused its value to rise until it broke out on 14th of April. Now it is up 18,000% compared to last year. Just think, 18,000%. That means $1 invested last year would have fetched $180 today. This definitely was impossible if it wasn't for Musk making statements like, "Bought some Dogecoin for Lil X so he can be a toddler holder." "Why are you so dogmatic?" they ask, and Dogecoin is people's crypto. Being at the position he is, most people trust him, and these statements he made sound like, if you don't buy Dogecoin, you will be losing the biggest opportunity of your life. So he did in a way pave the way for Dogecoin breakout. But why? For personal financial gains? He already has enough money. Maybe for more power? We don't really know. But what is obvious is that investing in Dogecoin is no less than a gamble. And what if Elon Musk took a U-turn about Doge just like he did about Bitcoin? The Bitcoins that Tesla bought in February, 10% of it was sold in April, bringing in a profit of $101 million. Praise Bitcoin, buy it, let it go up because you bought it, then sell it at a profit, and then say it's bad. This seems like taking advantage of the situation. Musk can make the price of Bitcoin go up or down by 10% by just announcing that Tesla will or will not accept Bitcoin for cars, without ever actually accepting any Bitcoins for any cars. And who knows, this might repeat with Dogecoin. However, the concern about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuel for Bitcoin mining is worth recognizing. It's high time that we pay attention to the environmental problems that are looming over us. It will become increasingly difficult to mine Bitcoin over time. We can't keep using the essential resources just for the greed to have more of a commodity. Elon Musk even has a solution for this, but that is a conversation for other day. If you like the content, smash that like button and subscribe the channel. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.